Okay, so just let us know when you've joined.
I'll say,
Oh, he said hi. He's there.
can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Hello? Yes, okay.
No, that's someone else.
Oh. But he said yes here.
Oh, okay, we're good.
All right, so now I'm going to start.
Okay.
Oh, it's been going again, so
Let's start over.
New one. Okay.
Okay, so the stuff we've been researching is about the open source mapping apps. We've done some specific research between different kinds of open source mapping apps like Waze and Google Maps. Those are two big like open source mapping apps, programs for that. And they're similar in they accomplish the same goal of giving directions on your mobile device, but there are some differences. Like some people prefer Waze over Google Maps because Waze is there's like more stuff you can do. Like you can give other Waze drivers your ETA, your estimated time of arrival. So some people like that feature, and there's other features like on Waze, if you see a police officer on the side of the road, you can press an icon and that will alert other drivers that there's a police officer there. And same thing with an accident. But some people still prefer Google Maps because there's a lot less going on the screen. It's less confusing. So it's just a simpler and cleaner design.
And I prefer Google Maps because I think it gets the job done, and it people say they like Waze because it helps them navigate through traffic better, but I think Google Maps does a good job as that as well, and it tells you when there's faster route available so that you can adjust your route, so that's a good feature. Or if you don't want it, you don't have to take the faster route and can stay on your route you're on now. And
so do you guys want to text some of your questions over? Another feature of Waze. Oh my god, their internet dropped out. Oh my god. Okay. Reconnect ASAP. Alright, so we're just waiting for our Romanian partners to reconnect. They're not supposed to have their data for this. We're recording it. They're not responding. We're responding.
that's next time.
Yeah.
Can he just ask this question here and we'll pretend it's
You can, yeah. That's fine. Yeah, Waze also has some fun other features, like there's auto day and night mode, where you can use like the light colored interface during the day, and at night it will automatically switch to a dark interface, and like some say that makes it easier to focus on the road, like focus on driving. But like some of the disadvantages of Waze is there's no turn lanes, and Google Maps has that, which is an advantage for Google Maps. We're just waiting on
the questions.
Them to reconnect. There's also other alternatives to Google Maps and Waze. We researched some other ones like the One Here Maps, or I mean, not just the Here Maps and the OpenStreetMap. And then one application that is similar to Google Maps is Bing Maps. It's basically the same as Google Maps, but I like Google Maps better just because I'm used to that application.
And then OpenStreetMaps is a free and editable map of the world, which it's cool because it was created by volunteers, so it's thanks to like the people with like the local knowledge who are able to put the map together. and it so without their geographic information from these volunteers, then that wouldn't exist. And so it's a nonprofit foundation. So that's a cool one as well, which is through it's like a wiki world map.
All right. Our partners have once again lost internet connection with their phone, so we're gonna try to reconnect one more time. Another.
Oh, he joined.
Okay. So he's back on. One more advantage of Google Maps is that it has options not just for driving your car, but also for if you want to travel using public transportation or walking, driving, or biking. They have all of those options there. So it'll tell you how long and what route to take if you're doing any of those things, whether it be walking, biking, driving, or using public transportation.
Yeah, now they have it.
Okay.
With the train and even the T, they have it. It shows you how to do that.
All right, so it looks like our partners are back on. If you want to text over a question, we can do our best to answer it. It just worked when you did it before, so if you just want to. We saw your message about like, sorry, the internet is having some troubles, but that one came through. So, if you want to try doing that again with something you want to ask us. Okay.
First question: have Waze and Google Maps multi-platform support? So do they have multi-platform
Which they
support?
do.
Which they do. So you can use Waze and Google Maps on like your Android, your Microsoft phone, your iPhone. So through the Android system or iOS, or on the computer, you can use them both as well.
Like I've used both on my iPhone, and I know my mom has a Windows phone, and she's used both on her
And I
Windows
have
phone.
an Android,
So
it works on that as well.
Multi-platform is a yes. They work on many different kinds of devices.
Which is very good. Go them.
Yes. Second question. Which giant company is developer of these two apps? So for Google Maps and Waze, it is Google. The big giant company is Google. I believe that Waze was originally created by Waze Mobile, but Google has acquired it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so is that it for your questions? You're all good? All right, sweet. So thanks for watching, and now we will watch your broadcast.
Bye.